Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then to the Backup, enable the feature Backup to Google Drive, then you have to add your backup account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. So firstly, here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, you have to tap OK. Tap Agree here. Accept. Then tap OK, and after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.